Do you want to know how you can add your people or your family to Google Gemini? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your people or family to Google Gemini. Go ahead and open Google Gemini, which is on your phone. Then tap on your profile, which is on the top right hand side. Click on settings and then click on Google Assistant features in Gemini. Scroll a bit down, you can see your family and other important contacts, which is called your people. Tap on it and you can see that your mother is set. So go ahead and tap on mom and you can see that you can choose your relationship. So go ahead and choose your mom, write down her birthday over here or choose the birthday manually and then click OK. Now you can search for a place which is over here. So go ahead and choose your birthday once again as you went back. So choose your mom's birthday, click OK, write down the home address. After you write down the home address, you can see that you can even change the name pronunciation. If you click on the default one, you can listen to this.
Mom.
And you can even record your own or spell out how it sounds. After that, you can enable the household contact as well, and you can write down the nickname as well over here. After you write down the nickname, go ahead and click save. This way you can add your person or your people or your family to Google Gemini. You can even add a person like this by going to add a person and then choosing the person, and you can add your people to Google Gemini. To create a family group, click on create family group and it will take you to this separate account. Now you can click get started and click on create a family group. Click confirm and you are going to be a family manager. So in a while, what you need to do is write down the email addresses over here. Write down the email addresses of your family and they will be added to your people in Google Gemini. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.